Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our 2011 Tax Layer tutorial. For this demonstration, we'll be using the 2010 demo software. Once the program is uploaded on your desktop, simply click. Notice it will ask you if you want to re-index your data files. At this time, you'll say no. Now you will come to the home screen. Even on your 2011 software edition, you will still see the same screen. To start and create a return, click on Tax Return. As you see, we already have several clients already listed. To create a new user, simply enter in their social. And press Enter. It will tell you that the return does not exist. And yes, now you want to create a new return. For this exercise practice, we will use a filing single status. At this moment, you will enter in the taxpayer's information, generally found on their identification card. Generally, at this point, you want to make conversation with your guests to make them feel more comfortable. Ask them their occupation. Thomas here is a sales rep. Make sure you have the current mailing address, as you will want to keep further correspondence with your client. Notice how once you put in the zip code, the software automatically knows the city and state. For banking product purposes, make sure you have 2 phone numbers. Once you see all the information is correct, here you can amend it if you need to. If not, simply press 0 to go to the next menu. Now again, for this exercise, we have chosen a single taxpayer filing status. If you chose married, married filing jointly or separately, or head of household, at this point you would enter their dependents. Right now, your prepare code is 0. And again, press 0 to get back to the main menu. At this point, you will want to either enter in W-2s, or for clients who are general contractors or independent contractors, you will enter in 1099 information. But for this exercise, we will enter in W-2s at this time. For box B, look for the employer identification number. All W-2s are not made equal, so make sure you look clearly and closely to identify the correct number. Again, even with your W-2, you can simply enter in the zip code. The city and state should pop up. In the event that the zip code does not correspond to the correct city, simply correct it. Next, enter in the wages. Remember, with tax preparation, including the software, always use whole numbers. Never use any cents. As you can see, all the FICA taxes will automatically pop into the box. Again, if there are any discrepancies, always follow the W-2. Notice in box 13 and 12, certain W-2s may also have several instructions, including retirement plans or statutory employees. file your appropriate state, and the state ID number also found on the W-2. Now to remove from this menu, simply press 0. As you can see, it will list the job. If your client worked more than one job, simply press New, and a new W-2 screen will pop up, and you follow the same instructions. Once you're on the screen, if you see something wrong or something does not match, simply press Edit, and you can go back and correct the information. If you enter something totally wrong, simply press Delete, and we'll erase it all together. To get back to the main menu, click Exit. Now you're on the main income menu screen. Again, if your client is not a W-2 employee, you will refer to a screen that looks like this and go to line 6, Business Income with the Schedule C or 1099 Miscellaneous. Take a second to look at all the different types of menu that you may see. During this 2011 and 2012 tax season, you may see a lot of clients at this point with number 13, Unemployment Compensation. Again, press 0 to go to the next screen. Once you have entered in the basic information, you will come to this screen. This screen will be quite reminiscent of Form 1040, the individual place where everything is held. From here, you can see the social, the name, the street, date of birth, telephone number, income, and so forth. It is here where you can do adjustments to income, do any itemizations needed by your client, add credits, estimated payments, or any miscellaneous forms. If there's anything that the client gives you that you're not familiar with or not really sure where to put, simply go to the form finder and put what you're looking for. If this was a college student and he had interest deductions, his school may give him something called a 1098-T. If I wasn't sure where to put it, I simply click the highlighted box, and it will take me where I need to go. Again, I press 0 to go back to the main menu. Once I'm done with the return and know everything is correct, I will press Exit, check my fees, press 0 to go to the main menu, mark the return as complete, and I'm back in the beginning. Now to save your file to a flash drive and send it into Home Office, simply go to Utilities, select Item 2 for backup returns, pick what drive you're on. I'm on F. Pick which client you want. I'll pick Thomas and press OK. And now you're done. Go back to the main menu and you're ready to go on to your next client. Have a successful tax season.